Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to manage members area on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have your websites where you can check out all of your websites. We have the setup, home, we have the settings, the design site in the bottom left corner, and the dashboard where we are at the very moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and manage members area on Wix. Step 1 is to add the members area app to get started. You can add apps by clicking here, as you can see, now manage apps. Then open the add panel in your editor and add the members area app. You can go here and add apps on the left side when you're in your editor. Then set up your member page. Customize the member menu. After you have customized the member menu, customize the member profile card. And when you have done that, then into view and set up every tab. And after doing that, adjust settings in the dashboard. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, if you enjoyed the video, and I'll be guys seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.